USA Pavilion வந்திருக்கு. ரொம்ப நேரமாச்சு, 1 மணி நேரத்துக்கு மேலே நிற்கிது. என்ன உள்ளுக்குள்ளே இருக்குன்னு பார்ப்போமா? கூட்டத்தை பாருங்கள். வழியாக யூஎஸ் பவிலியன் வந்து நுழைஞ்சிட்டோம்ப்பா. அப்பா
Moving forward, we will continue to summon this spirit. And together, with nations throughout the world, we will work to build a better future. So thank you again for being here, and please enjoy your visit. Take care.
And the pursuit of happiness.
Join us in exploring the impact of freedom and innovation as we embark on a journey into life, liberty, and the pursuit of the future. The dawn of a new nation brought the promise of great freedom.
Super slow
Explore, inspire, and chart the course for a better life and a brighter future. This spirit of freedom, exploration, and aspiration has inspired generations of Americans to innovate, endeavor, and persevere. Benjamin Franklin, American founder, scientist, inventor, and diplomat, wrote, "As we enjoy great advantages from the invention of others, we should be glad of an opportunity to serve others by any invention of ours. And this we should do freely and generously." We continue to chart new courses to make the impossible possible as we strive to create a more perfect union. Join us in exploring the impact of freedom and innovation as we embark on a journey into life, liberty, and the pursuit of the future. Freedom affords us the opportunity to dream, to share, and to create. Invention depends upon bold ideas, unwavering ambition, and the relentless pursuit of a dream. Alexander Graham Bell's telephone single-handedly changed the language of human contact, along with our perception of the modern world, bridging distances that had once kept us separated. At the 1893 Chicago World's Fair, Nikola Tesla illuminated the world as audiences witnessed a new technology, the alternating current, another American invention that now electrifies our world. Modern mobility arrived when the Ford Motor Company revealed the Mach T assembly line. The car was now within reach for many, bringing the world closer to their home. Mobility was dramatically expanded by the emergence of the jet age. Air travel changed our perspective of the world below as it became more affordable, resulting in a world in which we more readily impacted one another. The dawn of the space age brought new perspective. The Saturn V rockets that powered Americans to the moon helped us see our world from afar for the first time, allowing us to witness how beautiful our world is. The digital age brought personal computing and the internet into the offices, homes, and hands of people around the globe. Envisioned and developed by American dreamers, the internet makes it possible to share ideas far and wide, nearly instantaneously. There are 3.2 billion computers built into the smartphones that sit in the pockets and palms of people everywhere. Immediate access to information has created a new world that continues to change the way we live, conduct business, and envision tomorrow. Freedom affords us the opportunity to dream, to share, and to create. Invention depends upon bold ideas, unwavering ambition, and the relentless pursuit of a dream.
Phone ഇവിടെ தான்
Exploration and admiration continues to inspire even the youngest minds. They hold the promise of a brighter future, creating new and sustainable industries that mobilize society toward a better tomorrow. Always asking, what's next? Today, mobile technology impacts all aspects of our daily lives. The same tech that powers smart devices is put to use in ways that were not possible just 10 years ago. As the impact of the climate crisis is felt globally, understanding changing weather patterns and increasing temperatures is the job of expensive weather satellites.
The goal of NanoX is to use the harsh and unique environmental space to help mitigate some of the greatest challenges that we face here on Earth, from climate change to food scarcity.
We've announced the Starlab Research Center and will be the world's first commercial space research division, which is going to be looking at how you can take the harsh environment of space and use it to create microbes, bacteria, seeds that can help mitigate climate change in the driest regions of the Earth.
Earth and space are one ecosystem, really. We are a part of each other, and so figuring out how to grow things in a much more harsh environment in space is going to help us grow things in harsher environments here on Earth.
The next generation of engineers, scientists, and innovators are already working to benefit our world in meaningful ways. launching in Cape Canaveral, Florida. It's a mission that continues to reach for the stars, and is made possible by a drive to discover, explore, and shape the future. Today, we stand at a new frontier of discovery. The benefits of our unquenchable curiosity set the foundation for an exciting new future. And labs across America, scientists and engineers work to unlock the vast power of quantum computing. Cures for illness and disease, for example, may be found in qubits, the next generation code that unleashes the speed and potential of quantum computing. Quantum computing and its unique problem-solving capabilities promise to revolutionize the way we live, work, and create. Honeywell is one of a handful of leading American companies at the very forefront of this cutting-edge science, harnessing ion-based technologies to build systems to solve global challenges. Quantum computing may hold the power to find a cure for our greatest diseases. For example, quantum computing offers the promise to develop treatments to relieve the suffering of a parent with Alzheimer's, no longer able to remember their own children's names. Thanks to this breakthrough technology, the development of better treatments is within reach, and their memories may not be lost. Unlocking the power of quantum computing will change the world. Supercharging that next information age. Harnessing fusion power, the same force of energy that powers our sun, has long driven generations of scientists. At the massive National Ignition Facility, funded by the U.S. Department of Energy and located at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California, decades of research and experimentation continue to find the path to create limitless, clean, sustainable energy by bringing star power to Earth. The facility conducts inertial confinement fusion experiments using 192 powerful lasers to compress atomic, no bigger than a peppercorn, filled with hydrogen isotopes. The combined heat generated can reach 55 million degrees Celsius. And for that briefest moment, a star is born, housed safely within the confines of the lab, and all in about 5 microseconds. These experiments are leading us to sustainable, safe, and clean energy that will power the 21st century and energize our future. Since the invention of the automobile, cities and towns have evolved around the convenience of the car, bringing us to a crossroads in the current age of the commute. With the introduction of autonomous vehicles, we are reevaluating how mobility solutions factor into our everyday life. It's a future that will reinvent transportation, but is not only confined to cars. Getting from A to B will be different as next generation vehicles take to the skies. This autonomous revolution will empower a new form of mobility, one that creates opportunities for everyone to determine their own future. It's a future driven by American technology, breakthroughs that have produced GPS, cloud computing, and advances that will continue to change and improve life as we know it. America is leading exploration of the final frontier with a new generation of space flight that is set to take humans back to the establishment of both a base camp at the moon's south pole and the gateway outpost in lunar orbit. Through the Artemis Accords, the United States will work with our international partners to establish a safe, peaceful, and prosperous future in deep space. Throughout the decade, we will study more of the moon than ever before, learning more about its history and our own home planet. Together, we'll create a future where American technologies and global collaboration fuel opportunity, mobility, and sustainability from the Earth to the moon. And now, far beyond.
இப்போ பார்த்துட்டு வந்து நாசாவில் உள்ள இதுலேருந்து உள்ள ஸ்பேஸில் உள்ளது லைவாக வந்து அப்டேட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு.
रेडी रेडी जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी
ராக்கெட்டு ரெடியாக இருக்குது பறக்கிறதுக்கு. மூணே பார்த்தாச்சு, ரெடியாக இருக்குது. ராக்கெட்டு கீழேருந்து சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க. இது மாதிரி ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி நம்மளுக்கு கிடைச்சி பெரிய பாக்கியம்.